Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by deciding which Visual C++ package you need for your project. Choose Visual C++ Redistributable 2015-2022 for runtime files. Choose Visual Studio Build Tools for compiling and development tasks. Pick architecture explicitly, x64 for 64-bit apps and x86 for 32-bit apps. Confirm the app requirements before downloading any installer. Download the appropriate installer from the official Microsoft download page. Keep an administrator account ready to run installers and modify system components. After selecting the correct installer, save it to a known folder like Downloads. Verify the digital signature from Microsoft before running any installer. Right-click the file and run the installer as an administrator to avoid permission issues. For redistributable packages, choose x64 or x86 and click Install. For build tools, select C++ workload and the MSVC toolset components. Select Repair or Uninstall only if you already have an existing installation to avoid conflicts. Once installation completes, optionally add the MSVC bin folder to your path for CLI compilation. Open Developer Command Prompt and run the VC varsol. Bat script to configure environment variables. Test the install by compiling a simple C++ file using CL, exe, or clang if installed. If you use VCPKG, integrate it by running VCPKG integrate install for Visual Studio projects. Keep redistributable packaging in mind when deploying to end users, so runtime DLLs are available. Reboot the machine if installers prompt for it to finalize changes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.